Welcome to the channel Artomila. In the heart of Ukraine, where rolling hills meet ancient soil, lives a tradition shaped by fire and soul. Let's dive deep into the world of Ukrainian ceramics. Ukrainian ceramics date back to the Trypillian civilization over 7,000 years ago. Clay was more than material. It was a connection to the earth, to ancestors, and to the divine. From ritual vessels to everyday dishes, each piece told a story. Welcome to Opishne, Ukraine's ceramic heartland. Located in the Poltava region, this small town has shaped the nation's ceramic identity for centuries. Home to generations of potters, Opishne is where clay becomes art and heritage breathes through every design. Each piece carries its own symbolic language. Spirals for infinity, suns for warmth, birds for protection. These are more than patterns. Their messages pass through generations. It begins with the earth, local clay, rich and red. Shaped on a wheel or by hand, the vessels are then dried, fired, and decorated. Glazing and hand painting give them their final, soulful touch. The process is long, but the result is timeless. In Opishne, the National Museum of Ukrainian Pottery preserves this legacy. Yet ceramic art is not just history, it's alive and evolving. Today, new generations reinterpret the tradition, blending old forms with contemporary styles. One of the most iconic names in Ukrainian ceramics is Vasyl Omelyanenko, a true master of form and imagination. Famous for his zoomorphic vessels, Omelyanenko turned clay into animals with personality. Proud roosters, majestic lions, playful goats. His work gave folklore a body and breath. Another legendary dynasty is the Shkurpela family. Oleksandr Shkurpela, the father, passed his passion for ceramics to his sons, Anatoliy, the elder, and Mykola, the younger. Together, they have kept the flame alive through decades of political change and cultural shifts. Their workshop is a living archive, where tradition coexists with creativity. From massive decorative plates to modern reinterpretations, the Shkurpelas prove that clay is forever alive. In every vessel lives a story, in every symbol, a prayer. Ukrainian ceramics are not just objects, they're a living heritage, reminding us who we are and where we come from. Let your hands touch the clay, and you'll feel centuries echoing through it. This is more than craft. It's culture fired in flame and love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more journeys into Ukrainian heritage.